Hey friends, it's Anwesh Rath here, and I'm going to show you something pretty amazing now. I just grabbed my copy of SalesPressPro, which is an amazing theme. Alright, basically this theme allows you to do, I would say, virtually anything you want to do, and it works for launches. If you're doing launches, if you're running WSOs, you can use this. If you have a membership site, now this is a huge thing, all right? If you have a membership site, if you're planning to have a membership site, it has a built-in option. If you want to have cool squeeze pages, guru-style squeeze pages, you have the option. Everything is point, click, done. That easy. Now there's a reason as to why you're looking at this screen. This is a different theme. I'm not calling out this theme creator because I've been using this and it's pretty amazing. It's called Pro Affiliate WordPress theme. Now let me tell you something, a small disclaimer. I own OptimizePress, I own Profits theme, alright? I own Pro Affiliate WordPress theme, like you see, and I use some other custom themes, alright, which help me do a lot of different things. As you can see, this simple theme allows me to have a ClickBank style sales page with a video over there, an add to cart button, okay, and I can choose to delay this add to cart button's appearance. It means that if I want the video to play for, like, let's say 5 minutes, and then this add to cart button over there to appear, it does that. This theme does that. It's very simple stuff. And this is from one of my favorite theme designers, Semi. We don't really know each other in person, but I have a couple of his themes and I just love it. Right. So the reason as to why I'm telling you all this is because despite of having everything, why would someone go ahead and buy a new theme that seems to do what either one or a combination of all these themes do, right? The reason being, friends, it obviously does way more than any of the themes I've seen. And the coolest part is it allows you it is very flexible. It allows you to the flexibility, right? It allows you the freedom to add your own stuff up, all right? So I'm just going to take it from scratch. I'm going to install this theme. I'm going to show you how it works. All right. And if you are a bit of impatient types, then maybe you just want to go ahead and check out the sales page where this is being sold and grab it if you want to. It totally depends on you as to how you want to roll with this. And I honestly don't know that what I'll be using for this video. I mean, whether there would be a add to cart button below this video, or whether or not it'll be a pop-up or something. So but I'm pretty sure I will be giving you an option to just bypass this whole thing if you're impatient. All right. Okay. Anyway, so I'm going to show you how it works now. Okay. Pretty simply, I just downloaded it and I'm just installing it. Alright, so as you can see, it's installed. I'm going to activate it. Now when you buy the theme, you get an email with the license key. Alright, so first of all, so the theme is installed now. Alright, I have the option right here, SalesPressPro. So I'm going to click it. Here's the activation code. Without this you cannot do nothing. Alright, I'm pretty obvious. I'm going to blur this. Okay, so now it's activated. Now friends, it's amazing. As you can see right from the overview or bird's eye view, whatever you want to call this, you have settings, general settings. You can customize your footer, you can blog settings, membership options, fonts management. This is something pretty amazing, and I'll cover this one real quick. First of all, in general options, let me show you what you got. You can enable header background option, obviously header background URL, image URL, header height, and if you want to have a logo, you can do that. If you want if you have your logo uploaded somewhere already on your server, if you just want to put the URL, you can do that, or you can just upload it. You can customize the logo height, every single thing. Think about it. And if you want to go advanced, you can have your custom CSS Google Analytics code, custom JavaScript code. If you don't want, you don't have to. If you don't know what these are, chances are you won't even need them. But this is for advanced user. If you want to go ahead and tweak stuff and just put your own stuff. Now here's one of the coolest things which I have not seen in any of my previous themes that I just talked about, that I just mentioned. Facebook comments option. All right, maybe you can use some sort of plugin, or some people would say that it's pretty simple. You just go to Facebook developers area and just grab, create the app and just use it. But hey, this works by just clicking this checkbox over here. All right, and just add the basic information that you have to enter anyway. All right, so this is the general settings. Now these are the footer settings. Obviously you can put your own footer, copyright, text. The links and the text, they're also customizable. Right, the color, gray is usually pretty classic. Optimized press looks pretty cool with that. So anyway, the footer links, if you want to have a thank you, this is a cool thing. You create the pages and you will see them over here. Now I have like 3 pages. Okay, one is a thank you. It's more of a demo blog that you're looking at, which I'm actually turning into something else now. But anyway, so you get the pages: thank you, moosh pay, and sample page. These are the pages. So if you have a disclaimer page, what I'm saying, whatever, you just enable them all. You have your affiliate page, whatever, and then you can choose whether or not the footer links over a new window or the same frame. If you want to have a powered by text, you can have that. If you don't want, well, you go with unbranded stuff, disclaimer text if you want to have a text instead of a link for disclaimer, pretty awesome stuff. So this is your entire footer. I mean, I haven't seen something so extensive just for footer. You practically you can do anything with the footer itself. People usually don't really even give so much attention to that thing, but it's kind of important, especially if you have your legal pages and stuff. All right, so blog settings, one of my favorite stuff. I mean, how cool would that be? Instead of just having a site for a product launch, of course you can do a lot more with this theme. But if you have a blog as well, right there in that the site, and if you can, and you can have people interact with you and do usual blog stuff, how cool that would be, right? And especially when it comes with inbuilt membership options, it's pretty awesome. All right, it's extremely cool. The membership option, that is awesome. And you can obviously have navigation bar text, right? So for non-members you have different, for members you have different. Okay, you can obviously customize the whole thing, a whole 9 yards. You can see it. Obviously header, background, URL, and all that good stuff. And now this is something I haven't seen anywhere. Usually we are stuck with the default fonts, right? With the themes come with, but here you have the option to upload your fonts. So if you have any font on your computer, you can upload, or you can just upload QFont fonts. So you have so many awesome fonts, handwriting fonts, whatever, free fonts, paid fonts. You upload them, boom, it gets integrated with the theme. Okay, how's that for cool? All right, so now let me just go ahead and create a new page real quick. Alright, now when I create a new page, obviously this is very simple stuff, and title and body and stuff. Then here is where the magic happens. Templates, you have everything you would ever need. Okay, it's really cool, man. It's awesome. Alright, and these are the shortcut options, all cool stuff over here. Okay, and let's say I'm gonna name it SalesPressPro. Great. Okay, you never know, you might find this video sitting right here on this link. All right, anyway, so now I want to have all these are the options. One click, boom, everything changes like that. All right, so now let's say I want to have simple, let's say squeeze page type, page like this. light blue header. Okay, publish this for now. How's that for, like, I don't know, maybe 3 seconds of work? See this? I mean, obviously I have nothing in there, so it depends on what you want to do, you know, how you want to add things and stuff. Whatever you do here, it just shows up there, right? And let's check out this one. Updating that one. Refresh this. Man, it changes. You know, obviously when you have the content over here, you have the content right here, you know, and obviously you can add videos and all good stuff, and add to cart buttons, don't forget them. You know, you just click here. Now you might have some of my you know, some of those awesome short codes plugin out there. I promote a couple of them, I recommend a couple of them, you know, and they're all awesome, but I haven't seen this option anywhere. Guess what? You can actually upload your own image. You're not stuck with this. You don't have to wait for updates. You don't have to request the plugin owner or, you know, your plugin developer to actually add a new kind of add now button that you want, and then give you a shortcode and then update the whole plugin, you know, and go do all this stuff. You can customize it, you know, right? So if you, and these are awesome add to cart buttons. In most cases you won't even need to change any of them, but if you want, you can add your own. You just upload the image and bam, you have it here. Okay, then obviously you have the option to open the same window or new window. Link URL, select the button. You know, this link URL is actually the you know, PayPal link. All right, you just put it here and it's done. And many people use things like register now, and in that case, if you don't want to sell something, if you want people to register for something for free or whatever, you know, your thing is, you just put that URL over here. You don't have to put the PayPal URL. You just put the link URL. You upload that button that says instant access or register now, whatever you want to do, you know, and you're done, man. It's that crazy. It's that simple, right? Maybe something like this, you know. New window. I'm just going to insert whatever it is, you know. It's here. I'm gonna update this one. Go back here, refresh. Guess what? It's here. How cool is that? Alright, friends, and we have videos, obviously, you know, we have awesome videos and testimonial boxes. There's content boxes, guarantee boxes, and order forms. This one is one of my favorites. It just looks awesomely professional. You know, guarantee boxes and order boxes. How cool is this one? Check this out. I just select this one, I scroll down, okay, and I insert them. Insert right here, update. It's going to look haywire because I'm just, you know, adding things up like that. But you will see what I'm talking about. Just check this out. How professional this can be. And you know, it's very easy to add things over here where it says type your text here. Check this out. Here is where you can type the text. Oh, and one more very important thing. Now, when you are adding headlines, you know, these are images, you know, but the headlines are also going to get indexed by search engines because they appear as images, but they're actually texts. Okay, but it's also a great and cool thing. And this is SalesPressPro. Now, I was showing you some shortcodes, and you know, believe me or not, they were kind of extras. Okay, now when I actually click here, I get, you know, a ton of other things. You see bullets, download boxes, download PDF item, MP3 video, all headline, you know, every single thing that you would need. So I'm just adding this one here. just for demo purpose again. This video can be like 2 hours long or maybe even more than that, friends. You know, I'm just so excited about this, and I just want to show you how simple and how easy it is to use this. All right, I mean, even if you how professional this looks, and you want to change that, all right, no problem. You just go here, you change this template, you click update. Don't have to change anything over here. Go back, refresh. Guess what? You guessed it. That's it. You know, awesome ClickBank launch style page over here. Yeah, you can add your video over here, you know, everything, your add to cart button, and obviously you can have the add to cart button just below this video over here. And yeah, one more thing, it comes with Traffic Player Pro, so you don't have to use any other third-party plugin to actually customize your video, add outros and intros to your YouTube videos. You can you can prefer not to have the related videos at the end, and just make a YouTube video look like highly, you know, a video that is not hosted on YouTube if you don't want to. It's just pure awesome. So I mean, I cannot even begin to explain how excited I am to use this one, friends. And now at this point, you know, again, believe me or not, I've just showed you 20% or maybe even less of what this theme can do. Price is crazily, insanely low for something like this, you know, and it's obviously not going to stay there at this low. And well, I mean, I don't know, I cannot just stop. Check this out, your Facebook comment options. You just have options, crazy SEO options, time-based redirects, countdown redirects. Okay. Oh, one more thing. I just have to show this to you. Great hype about this type of squeeze page. All right, and I'm going to show you what that is. You know, a clean-looking page. Now, experts have said that, you know, the less option you give to your, you know, to your site visitors, the more likely they are to take action, right? So if you just want to have a clean, high converting page or something like that, you don't need any of this. You just add your opt-in form, boom. Or maybe have a video, just have a delayed add to cart button or a delayed opt-in form. Yes, delayed opt-in form. Okay, you can have a delayed opt-in form over here. And you can have an opt-in form right in the video itself if you want, you know. And for that, you just need to scroll down and put your YouTube video URL over here. And these are the options: auto hide, yes and no, controls. What do you want to do with that? You can choose the skin color, related videos. You want to make a yes or no. If you want to show the YouTube logo or Vimeo logo, then check. Or if you don't want, you don't. If you want to show the title, you can. If you don't want, you don't. All right. So welcome and login message options, whatnot. I don't know, go ahead and grab this. You won't regret, that's for sure. This is going to be one of the best investments you would ever make, you know. It's really cool, friends. I'm signing off for now. I'm really excited to play with this one. I'm going to play, I'm going to do a lot of things. I'm going to make a lot of money. I know that, and I want you to do the same, all right? Go ahead and grab this. And yeah, there is going to be an awesome bonus from my end that you will get once you buy it automatically. Don't have to send me any receipt or anything like that. You grab this one, all right, and you will receive my exclusive bonus, which you're going to get only through my link. To find out what that is. All right, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you take the right decision. Go ahead, grab it. Anwesh signing off for now. Take care.